afei no join me a ma me misa sɛ baby a wotie me free no wa join me on Facebook page no wa hala me kakra na wa mama hwɛ sɛ de ohun sitie obi a wotie me a wotimi kan timi trom pɛ sɛ wodi machi ya ade kakra na yawo election year
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
We are in election year. And no, last week, and I'm a say, Obi say, oh, the KMA mayor, Eddie Atuja say, Krofrom ja, afi obewie. Na onwie ni keke, owie, Emma Asante mani aje abose abochire. Abusafo, if you are aware and if you know the seriousness of
87.9 Kumasi,
and now me perceive me establish two issues. Ewo Kumasi na yenya mre ebisa ye ho say, hey, so kuro we mu aye wo no, are people caring for us? Are people thinking about us? And I say, man for a warankasa parochial interest. Mukaya, on the 3rd of November, it was rather 23rd, Muamo joining me on Facebook page.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
November 14th, 2023. Onia online. Page in the KMA boss promises completion of Krofrom market before expiration of his tenure. The mayor of Kumasi, Samuel Pine, has assured that Krofrom market will be ready before he leaves office. Speaking on Akuma FM show, speaking on Ghana Akuma morning show on Akuma 87.9 FM in Kumasi, with Aduanaba Kofi Asante, my good self.
Akuma FM
Mr. Pine
87.9 Kumasi.
They have shortlisted 3 companies to finance the project. He said they are waiting for the final approval for the ministry. The Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly has taken cognizance of the delay of Krofrom project. It is doing what it can to secure funds to enable its completion and complete the entire project. The mayor of Kumasi, Samuel Pine, has stated, this was a quote. He said, the urgent demand of the Krofrom market made it imperative for
Akuma
KMA to
FM
quickly work on it.
87.9 Kumasi.
When completion,
Akuma
the
FM
new Krofrom market
87.9
would
Kumasi.
have 2,300 stores and 2,800 shops and other supporting facilities such as police post, fire station. The mayor, Mr. Pine, underscored the need to complete the project to contain as many displaced traders as possible for the Krofrom market. Over the years, residents and traders at Krofrom, a suburb of Kumasi, want government and city authorities go through
87.9 Kumasi.
to expedite action on the market project, which has been left uncompleted for over a decade. A decade, you can't decade that. Both how many years? Decade. 10 years. A decade. 10 years. It is almost 2008. ABC 2024. How many years now? 20. More than 20 years. 22 years. For 2008. ABC 2024. 22 years.
Akuma FM 87.9
More than
Kumasi.
2 decades. According to them, this leaves the area with no proper market structure. The Krofrom project, which is situated on a vast land, is aimed at increasing the retail space in Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. The work commenced in 2008. There will be 3 shopping blocks which will have anchor space for banks, shops, retail outlet, leisure center, warehouses, office, clinics, pharmacy, car park, auxiliary floors, daycare center, refuse collection site, and toilet facility. And it was so on. Absafo Krofrom market Orua Samuel Sapon Amampani Dada Kufo Estati ya or shortcut and to her. Samuel Sapon came to do his best on this project. Abaya Bako Ubo Krofrom marketer Eduko KMA almost site website. Na achiraw de kwadwobonsu eka ye wo Krofrom market.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ababa chiraw de sampan aka wo ho. Many sampan any nkomo wo Krofrom market not less than 3 times. Ewo ha. Mo amohwe Facebook page. Edwano na mo hwe. And na February. You were less than 10 months. Na Ghana kwa akoto aba. Now Aduanaba Akufo-Addo government is over. It becomes a history. I'm talking about Nana Aduanaba Akufo-Addo's government. Sampai will no more be a mayor of Kumasi.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And then you were my dead race course and footro elbow wom eku wom epro. Yawo ma e da race course akronfo wia wo mo. Yawo ma e da race course a wo mo agya pade e na essay. Manfo dwo trase. Kumasi medie mia. Kumasi mahura mane e wa abraba wo bebo yemu. All because of a decision by a government to say yesija a befitting modern type of market. Nobody is ever ready say or better.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Many sampai din komo okroma. And this on my network for years. Obabe di akonwa ye mu bi bua ye. Ye born ababa je ne gongongon no yoyoyo. Osi aka nanim. Omo adwuma. Otene toso. He is sitting on top without doing nothing. Kofi Asante akotwe na adwen agina niam wudo bi a etwa so waye so. Leadership is by drawing your attention to your responsibilities.
Yeah, mayor 87.9
mo krom ha. Yeah, mayor osasi benu mo krom ha. Sampai your money chem so o kana asama on kasa ho. Nti nano in November he had no choice. Kakra na ja. Na no kra ye ka Santase market asem. And reluctantly was a mamenka kakra. To all kasa nyina, it was a very tensed atmosphere. And some of us were reminding him to the extent say we want him to succeed.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
One legacy I bet me akase for over 2 decades. Abaya bako woman to me amameye a certain regional secretary of one time MPP and had the opportunity to become mayor and with me buaya owie Krofrom da. And now me no won komopa me mpre wo mo mo twa me wo Facebook page. We need the year data kotobi na bra. Just join me and I pay. I want to take you on a journey. Me do ko the back and sana me do about the future. No one say am penny for be a bro. E wo krom ha. Na sabe. O mine. There is osha me DP. More opportunity a wo me number. There is one philosopher bia in the at the Franz Kafka. I say one idiot is one idiot. obi a ojimfo baako ye ojimfo baako pe. 2 idiots are 2 idiots. Winya ojimfo mienu omo ye ojimfo mienu. 10,000 idiots are a political party. No comment on this. Ojimfo baako ye ojimfo baako. Ojimfo mienu ye ojimfo mienu. Nanso winya dom nipa beburu beye mpem du a wo ma koma ene wo ma dwen eni fie nwe mpanimfo ho enwe wo man ne ho a eya amanyofo
87.9 Kumasi
omba be ya amanyofo abusafo teni ye pa o. I am not by any means insulting anybody, but the American say this is a quote from Franz Kafka, because ohun say adeɛ bi wɔ hɔ a wotie kyerɛ na wo maama nwosɛm a the ordinary person betimi akyerɛ wo sɛ adeɛ wɔ deɛ woyɛ ne sɛ yi a enka at least ebetimi aboa. And this is a country a yɛwɔ kuro wɔ mu oba ɔman Ghana, the only region a ɛyɛ market oriented ɛyɛ Asante region.
Akuma FM
It is 87.9
Kumasi.
Now we do one second business nkɔfo dwadi a waka ɔman na koma nti enya nwanwa sabra kwadwobo nsu ɛte so na obu kejetia market aguo adwadifo ne mai wo Kumasi abonte so ebo naked ana sampan edi animu kwasi chei edi animu chama wuntumi edi animu kwabra senchire edi animu party mpanimfo edi animu demonstrated saying mutu adwadifo ma ewo Kumasi anu aduane egu, and indeed they were right.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Because you can do the right thing at the wrong time. Makan wo fia oba bi ton ensuo ewo traffic light here what the akasi. Last year how much bia medu oba 5 o'clock 5:10 na oba ni sunsuo. Toda bitimi ba be 4:30 na oba ni sunsuo nyina traffic light na se. Sua ye makom. Da kru mi du ona gina ona bi se oba se wo ba adai ena wo sunsuo ahomache konkomre sa. Suo na chele esinti ne pon ayatare. Oseda mete sokoman na maama ntamo a ya na ebima dikan be gina na am se wura enti wo gina nsuo ne satan ben. Ose ebe ya mo be 11 kra na ma break nti wo se makwa akosoe nsuo na akotana ba bi nti omo be ba kra no omo yeto omo nsuo me nam aye nto nam say you are doing the right thing at the wrong time. To bo as na bra be 10 na wia na nipa no nsuo nyunu na me che nam say eye demon to me be a ehye ma we ade papa e wo breboni mu debe sato no so na me bomb ayama no nam say from today you will not do the right thing at the wrong time. If you oba ne bofo abe hu so ne namo o se da na no me do me ka do o se da ya me nhira wo se me nsuo ni timi sabe mienu. You have to demonstrate to people say edomre bia nyansa ehuhia ye wo kro wa mu adwadie ani Kumasi Asanteman akoma project awodo egu kroma nyina has come to a halt. You see kejetia ni enim sankaja other satellite market ebekoso amadwadie timia
Akuma FM 87.9
aban abako NDC abako omaja Krofrom dwa wo ho omaba be si kejetia market eden a omde omanya bie di amayen etika MPP ba ye di kanwie Krofrom dwa na yewie ya boa na de wo dada no structure na ntimi amubu amu yeti kroma na yesi dan a champa abre so after 45 years yedi over 8,000 more than 8,000 bed capacity of maternity blocks. Yes, yes, watch your budi nyina.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Abusafo and now me no work for 20 years. Edwa we si ho structural defect and intimate pass structural integrity da. sa woka sɛ wosi Krofrom dwa because enipa dom ɛna ɛba bɛtena dwa nim polytanks ɛne mixer concrete mixer ne machines esi mu nyinaa na ɛda so wɔ hɔ yi cut 8-10 months na MPP aban for 8 years osan kɔ fie Krofrom dwa si hɔ yɛnya nwie promises upon promises ofra pani we anu asɛbɔ ofra pani we no ne de ato nkyɛn ofra pani we no ne de ato nkyɛn ofra pani we ɔsɛsi bebaayɛ no nso saa kukufa kokware saa so yegu so ɛna obi aba akwala Jesu project ma menya project ebɛbɔ yɛn nsɛm ama yɛ ba bɛto aso no de me ba bɛyɛ obi ahu sɛ menya me 10% ni menya me 10% eni ma me nkɔpa me nua contractor no ono ma me start no ono start a menya me de adi so people are self-centered. Now what mamu na wote one there nobody cares about you.